Hi there, my name is Zach and I design Shotlister. Today we are going to be looking at the incredible new integration between Scriptation and Shotlister. Shotlister, of course, the best app for making shot lists, and Scriptation, the best app for annotating scripts and dealing with all the revisions that come from that. And so what you will be able to do with this new integration is take scripts from Scriptation, import them into Shotlister. It'll generate an entire project for you with all the scene metadata, allow you to navigate back and forth seamlessly, and allow you to keep that data up to date as new script revisions come out, which is pretty cool. So in here inside of Shotlister, I've got an import from Scriptation button. If you click on that, all it does is tell you, actually, you need to start here in Scriptation first. So I'm going to click done and go over to Scriptation. And here I've got Scriptation on the Mac open, but this works for iOS as well. And I'm going to open up the blue draft of this script here that I've got with all my annotations that I've done, as you do with Scriptation. And I want to figure out how to get this information into Shotlister. Well, it could not be easier. You go over here to tagging, then click Reports, and then click Shotlister. And automatically, it instantly opens Shotlister and brings you up to this menu saying, would you like to import it as a new project? Or you can add it to an existing project so that you can have it as different episodes. I'm just going to leave this as is, as creating a new project. Click Import. It automatically says it just imported 55 scenes. Click OK, and here are all the scenes. And you can see it's put in all the page information, the page count, all the scene information here. And even cooler is there's a new button that pops up that says Open in Scriptation. And so if I click on, scene 17 here, click Open in Scriptation, it opens Scriptation to exactly the page that scene is on. Is that not cool? That is pretty awesome. So you can see here, if I go down to scene 36, Open in Scriptation, it opens that right to that page too. So that makes it super easy to go back and forth as you're building your shot list and got your script open. It also does the same thing in shoot day mode. Now, if that wasn't cool enough, there are even more really cool features. So you've been working, this is the blue draft, you've been going back and forth, but those writers have been busy. They've released a new draft. Oh boy, all my information has changed. Good thing I'm using Scriptation, all my annotations will go over to the new draft. So normally what you would do is you would open up your new draft. So I've got the goldenrod draft here. I'll click on that. You can see it doesn't have any annotations in it at all. And so what Scriptation does is allow you to bring all your annotations over from a previous draft. So you do that by clicking Transfer. Then you select the other draft, the old draft. So this is the blue draft. Click OK. It does all of its magic. It's going to bring the blue draft into the goldenrod draft. Click Begin. And away it goes. Look how fast it is. It's amazing. So it's done a whole bunch of work. You click OK. And then a new thing pops up. It says, would you like to update Shotlister? Because it knows that the blue draft was connected to Shotlister, and you've just updated it to the goldenrod draft. And so you definitely want to click yes. And so what it's going to do now is update Shotlister. It's going to say, this is the project that was connected to the blue draft before. So now it's going to resync that with the goldenrod run. So I click import, and it's going to do a whole bunch of work to update all the metadata, and you can see here gives you a list of all the things that it's done, and it's omitted certain scenes and added new scenes and changed all the data to now work with the new script. So now if I'm on scene 36, or let's pick, I don't know, scene 40A, click open, and there you go. That's right to 40A, which is pretty cool. So thank you so much for the folks at Scriptation that have been working really hard to get this integration working for you. And the last thing I will show you is that if you have a shoot day, which I will create here, and go here, I'll quickly just open up this scene, add a shot, go to the shoot day, add that scene. You will also see this new icon inside of shoot day view, which if you click that will, same thing, go to the first scene, go to whichever scene that is. So even in shoot day mode, you can see that you can navigate seamlessly back and forth between the apps. That's very cool. Please tell everyone you know about how awesome this is, and happy shot listing.